Borer का मतलब समझते हैं boring? Boring? The same kind of tools they have developed means they can enter some of the animals they have been killed and they can enter this borer into the animal's body to remove the what? Flesh. Yes or not? And then scraper to remove and little bit cutting the flesh. Is it okay? So which tools has come? Yes, tell me. And in which age? Middle age? पहले वो headaches लेके घूमते थे. Now just imagine borer and scraper. 1 or 2 times you'll revise, it will come in your mind. So which is sculpture growth? Yes, tell me. Borer and scraper culture? Yes or not? And thereafter coming of which one? Coming of which one? Upper Paleolithic. कभी आप लोगों ने लाइफ में देखा होगा बचपन में, इफ यू हैव गॉन टू द विलेज एरिया, आपने वो देखते हैं जैसे लाइक आई सेड क्रशर्स. आज के डेट में तो वी हैव व्हाट मिक्सर ना टू मेक द आई सेड ग्राइंडिंग द व्हाट आई सेड स्पाइसेस. पहले लोग ग्राइंडर नहीं था. दे आर डूइंग लाइक दिस. डू यू नो जो भी क्या कहते व्हाट एवर. यस. तो वहां पर आपने देखा होगा कभी उस पे ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर का रहता था और उसमें बहुत छोटे छोटे क्या है. यस आर नॉट. So that kind of one stool has been made by the I say that upper Paleolithic people, and that is with the very hard rock. ऐसा उन्होंने क्या बनाया? हार्ड रॉक. कि कहीं भी किसी चीज में भी रॉक हो और whether it is I said that whether it is an animal body to interior they can enter and that is known as a Burin culture. ठोक ठोक कर क्या कर देते? They enter into the body of the any animal or even the rock or any kind of structure. So now the technology become better and this is upper Paleolithic. May which culture come? Yes, tell me. Burin culture. Can you remember? Yes or not? All our sculpture we are doing. Burin culture. Is it okay? So in the Stone Age Paleolithic, याद हो गया? Which are the culture? First they have a what? Head axe and chopper. Yes or not? And thereafter I said that they are carrying which one? Borer. Yes or not? Borer and scraper. Everyone. Borer and scraper. Further they come again better. तो उस समय इन्होंने hard stone granitic rock they have found and they are able to make what? Burin. Yes or not? So Paleolithic is famous for which art and culture? Sculpture. Yes or not? With the help of which tools? Stones. ये याद हो गया? Shall I remove? Now after that this period में they are living into which region? Mountainous region. Yes or not? And in this middle Paleolithic we can be एक बोरा दिख रहा है आपको? इसी से खरोच खरोच कर and something and scraper they have made the what? Bhimbetka painting. Understood? Which painting? Can you remember Bhimbetka? याद रहेगा? अच्छा भीम यंग एज का था, अपर एज का था या मिडिल एज का था? कैसा एज का था? कैन यू रिमेंबर? भीमबेटका पेंटिंग किसमें आएगा? मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक. यस और नॉट? आप लोग भी अब तो मिडिल एज में हैं. क्या बोलोगे? अभी भी यूथ हैं? अरे यूथ क्रॉस कर चुके हैं आप. नहीं अभी भी समझ रहे हो तो अच्छी बात है. मैच्योर्ड हो चुके हैं आप लोग. इज इट ओके? यू आर नॉट इन द you have crossed the youth, become matured now after a certain period of time, old stage mein. So youth pakde raho. So Bhimbetka, can you remember in which is or which mountain range? Yes, tell me. Vindhya range, can you remember? Shall I remove? Yes. Sculpture and one painting we have seen in the middle Paleolithic. Is it okay? Sorry. Paleolithic. Head axe and chopper up lower. Borer and scraper in the middle Paleolithic, and in the upper Paleolithic which one? Burin. Is it okay? Yes. and thereafter coming into which one? Mesolithic. Yes or not? 10,000 है, and this is from Mesolithic 10,000 to 4,000. 10,000 to 4,000. Understood it? कुछ नंबर आपको याद कराया था, याद होगा आप लोगों को? Yes. 10,000 to Meso. M4 Meso. M4 which one? Which one I said that? So there is a stone tools become what I said, very finer. The stone tools. और आप भी सोच सकते हो, just think over it, अपने आप दिमाग में देखें. When I am coming from mountainous region to the foot hills, तो यहाँ पे rivers पे आप कैसा देखते हो? छोटे छोटे stones? Yes or not? So they are able to come and they are able to discover small tools, and with the help of small stones they started making what? Small tools. Yes or not? So small tools, microliths. So this age is famous for which one? Microlith sculptures. Yes or not? And this is the age. अब मिस जहां हो जाएंगे, ध्यान से, यदि लाइफ में मिस आ गई तो आदमी बोलता है मैं अपना लाइफ सेटल कर लूं. ऐसा ना? तो यहां पे फर्स्ट टाइम जस्ट दिमाग में रखना, सेटलमेंट स्टार्ट. अर्लियर एज वाज ओनली नोमैडिक्स. अर्लियर एज इज ओनली. नाउ द लिटिल बिट सेटलमेंट. यस और नॉट? सेटल्ड के लिए हो गए तो आप क्या करोगे? अभी भी आप माउंटेन्स में तो क्या कर रहे थे? हंटिंग. लेकिन यहां पे भी सडनली आप हंटिंग तो करेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड तो यहां पे एग्रीकल्चर तो करेंगे नहीं. क्या दिस रीजन विल प्रोवाइड एग्रीकल्चर? नो. तो यहां पे एग्रीकल्चर स्टार्ट नहीं है. स्टिल दे आर हंटिंग एंड फिशिंग. तो आप हंटिंग करके फिशिंग करके ला रहे हो, तो आपकी वाइफ घर में बैठी हुई है, वो आपको क्या बना के दे रख रही है? पॉटरीज. क्या बना रही है? व्हाट शी इज मेकिंग? व्हाट शी इज मेकिंग? So the first time Mesolithic के last आते आते there is a coming of what? Pottery. Can you remember in your mind? So Miss is making pottery in the house so that you are bringing fish and something and then she will cook. Cook नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे, ध्यान रखना. Cooking is not happening, but even then I said that पानी तो पिलाएगी उस pottery में से. So there is a which one? So this is what I said, that is sculpture. And this is what I said, that pottery. Yes or not? The first time at the end of Mesolithic, but more major it comes in Neolithic. At the end of Mesolithic, which came? याद रहेगा what the story have said? Miss. क्या बोला मैंने? Miss आ गई. और कहाँ पे दिख रहा है Mesolithic? First. कहाँ दिख रहा है? At the foothills. Where you are able to see? क्या foothills पे he can do agriculture? No. Then what he is doing? Yes, fishing and hunting. Still fishing and hunting. Understood it? Thereafter they are bringing some kind of foods. और जब वो लेकर आ रहा है तो उसकी वाइफ किसमें से पानी पिला रही है? Can you remember pottery? Yes, याद करना बहुत जरूरी है. कंसेप्ट में दे चुका हूं. How do the things are coming? Is it okay? Thereafter Mesolithic. After that what? सेटलमेंट यहां हो चुका है. दे स्टार्टेड लिविंग सेटल्ड लाइफ इंस्टेड ऑफ व्हाट? नोमैडिक. इज इट ओके? Neolithic. If I am talking about Neolithic, so the good amount of pottery, good amount of, I said that, and Neolithic you can say that यहाँ पे there is an overlapping is 6,000 to इसका मतलब सडनली ऐसा नहीं होगा कि Mesolithic. Some people have been also moved towards what? Foothills से they have moved to the plain area. I said that 6,000 to 1,000 you can say that Neolithic, and in the Neolithic, yes tell me, pottery. What is I said that? और ये जितने tools थे वो बहुत फाइनर हो गए एंड पॉलिश्ड बन गए. यस और नॉट? विच टूल्स? पॉलिश्ड टूल्स. सो मेनी थिंग्स हैपन, बट यहां पर ओनली वी आर डूइंग ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच वन? आर्ट एंड कल्चर. अंडरस्टूड इट? क्लियर? सो नियोलिथिक इज pottery, and another I said that polished tools. Is it okay? Shall I move ahead? लेकिन इसी में नियोलिथिक के बीच में ही इंडस वैली है, यस or not? And there is an also Vedic has been started, yes or not? Indus Valley भी है. So this point is completely okay. So the next point that we are going to see, before getting into this, which are the age we have seen? Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic. Everyone, Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic. Paleolithic has been divided into lower, middle, upper. याद है आप लोगों को? And the lower Paleolithic, just I am making it a revision. Lower Paleolithic 5 lakh to, and यहाँ पर क्या हुआ था? Head axe, chopper, याद है? Thereafter in the middle Paleolithic, 1 lakh to 40,000, और इसमें क्या बन गया था? बोरर, एंड थोड़ा सा स्क्रैप करने के लिए बोरर एंड, और यहीं पे मिडिल में ही हम लोग मिडिल एज के कौन है? भीमबेटका, यस आर नॉट? एंड देयर आफ्टर देयर इज एन विच वन? अपर पैलियोलिथिक, and there is a what? Burin culture. Which one? Clear? And after that we come for which one? Mesolithic. And Mesolithic, yes, tell me. Microlith. लेकिन जैसे ही ये फिनिश हो रहा था at that time, pottery also come. Yes or not? Is it? Can you remember? Mesolithic. The next which is what? Neolithic. Neolithic may completely come into what I said, that plain areas, and plain areas में what you have seen? Yes, tell me. Potteries are there. Become finer and finer. Is it okay? छोटे छोटे important point होते हैं in the mains and the prelims. Now that if the question comes, discuss the sculpture growth during the prehistoric time. Can you write? Which one? Stone Age से. Yes or not? And Stone Age से लिखेंगे only in one para, आप इसको finish कर देंगे, and very well that you can write 1 or 2 para and thereafter come to the next point. Yes or not? Prehistoric is so many things. Indus Valley बहुत सारा है. Shall I remove this? Next one it is coming. I said that Indus civilization or Harappan civilization, and Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization, that is I said that which 2500 BC till 1750 BC, 2500 BC till, and in the 1750 BC they have been declined. Yes or not? In the 1750 BC they have been declined. Is it okay? So, shall I remove Indus Valley civilization? ये आप जो देख रहे हैं, दिस इज योर व्हाट? भीमबेटका इन द रायसेन डिस्ट्रिक्ट. I said actually this is the only Indus Valley settlements, and there are 1400 major sites. There are 1400 sites are there, but the important sites are this. अब ये इसमें नहीं कराया जाएगा, ये एंसेंट के क्लासेस में होता है, लेकिन हाँ यहाँ पे जो आर्ट एंड कल्चर का रिक्वायरमेंट है दैट वी हैव टू सी. जस्ट एक आइडिया देते जा रहा हूँ मैं. इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन IVC, and that is also known as, just tell me, Harappan. Yes. There is an, I said that architecture growth, and there is an, I said, sculpture growth, and there will be also pottery and some paintings. Okay? Indus Valley civilization में which are the growths are there? Yes, tell me. Architecture, sculpture, pottery. Is it okay? Architecture, sculpture, pottery. Architecture, sculpture and pottery. If I am finding, और ये कब सा है? Yes, what is the age? 2500 BC. तो आज से लगभग 4500 साल पहले. Yes, or not? 4500 years back. And for the first time, architecture develops around 5000 or 4500 years ago. So architecture develops around, I said that, yes, tell me. During which period? Yes, tell me. Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization. Can you remember in your mind? Yes or not? यहाँ पे sculpture तो पहले से ही आ रहा है, pottery भी पहले से आ रहा है. तो I am not entering into it, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे टेराकोटास आपने देखा होगा. Yes or not? Torso, dancing girl, yes or not? Beard man, so many things are there. And bronze made chariots, and then I said that the copper made chariots, and then buffalo, bronze made, elephant, rhinos, tigers, several toys made up of wax style, that is I said metals. अरे आप जितना आज नहीं डेवलप्ड है उतना वो ज़्यादा डेवलप्ड था इंडस वैली. Yes or not? आज के जो छोटे टाउन्स में चले जाओगे वो नजर नहीं आएगा. दैट इज देयर द बेस्ट वन, द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. तो यहाँ पे लॉट्स ऑफ स्कल्पचर एंड देन पोट्रीज आर आल्सो. अंडरस्टूड इट? तो फिलहाल आई कैन शो यू ओनली दिस मच. हमें यहाँ से आज अभी स्टार्ट करेंगे. कहाँ से? यस टेल मी. आर्किटेक्चर. इज इट ओके फॉर द इंडस वैली? नहीं तो फिर क्लियर कट सेपरेशन नहीं हो पाएगा. तो स्कल्पचरल ग्रोथ हम लोगों ने किसका दिखा दिया? टेल मी. स्टोन एज. And then architectural growth now we are going to see during the Indus Valley civilization. यहाँ से हम लोग Indian architecture starting. Yes. Next one मेरे साथ बोलेंगे 2500, 1500, 600, 400, 2500, 1500, 600, 400, 200, 100. So 2500 Indus Valley civilization, you know that 2500 BC to what? अभी समझाया था मैंने. And thereafter there is, I said that Vedic age. Yes, tell me. That is, I said 1500 BC to what? 600 BC. Yes. Vedic age में they are only pastoral. What did I said that? क्या pastoral people architecture दे सकते हैं? अरे those who are pastoral, they are nomadic. They are moving here and there. Can they provide architecture? Never. Yes or not? हमेशा हर एक का एक आपको क्या होना चाहिए? रीजन. They can't give architecture. Yes or not? केवल वैदिक एज में आपको केवल क्या मिला? Yes, tell me. What do you have got? Tell me. Literature, and that is in the form of, I said that, Vedas. Understood? और बहुत सारे हैं, अभी मैं बोल नहीं सकता. बोलने के लिए तो there is a mantra period, Shruti period, and one is Shruti and another is स्मृति. श्रुति पहले आया, स्मृति आया? अरे पहले सुनोगे बाद में स्मृति से लिखोगे. स्मृति समझते? श्रुति मिस लिसनिंग एंड स्मृति मिस रिमेम्बरेंस. यस आना. तो श्रुति लिटरेचर, एंड दैट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, आई सेड, मंत्रा पीरियड. it is divided into what I said, that mantra period and all, just making and giving a picture, do not write